What's going on, you guys? In today's video, we are going to be putting on some awesome decals, little wraps for the Charger today. We're going to be putting these guys on. Also want to give you guys a big thank you for hitting 9,000 subscribers. That's truly amazing that we have hit that. Also want to say I'm sorry for not posting the last couple weeks, as I have been a little bit busy with the actually the Cummins trucks. If you guys are looking forward for Cummins content, I have a big video coming on not only my truck but my dad's truck too. Let's just say we tuned both of them and they are pretty amazing. I just need to sort out a couple things on the truck. It seems like I got it all put together. Then I have engine lights. I think I need to put new batteries in it, and now I got like exhaust leaks. I'm trying to figure everything out with the Cummins, and then we will have probably a big video on the Cummins truck. So that will be coming up soon. That's what's coming, kind of taking my time during the weekends, but now I want to give you guys a Charger video. I want to get these on since I just got these in. So we'll put these on, and then after we get those decals on, I do want to like take the car out and try to get some good pictures for you guys and kind of give you guys a good look of the car, because ever since I put the wheels and tires on, I haven't really gave you guys a good look of the Charger. So definitely want to get these on today, and then we will go out, have a little look at it. Also stay tuned for next video too, because we will have another little Challenger mod here. I got a little exhaust mod, so we will be messing with the exhaust here very soon, which I'm pretty excited for that. But let's get started. Let's get these guys installed. They go right here in the little window spots. I already got the other side clean. Let's get these decals on. I'm really excited. They're kind of like the same thing I did with the Challenger. The Challenger, we had the cool decal that went right there that looked really awesome, and I'm really excited to do something like that to this car, the Chargers. Let's get started with the install. Let's get these guys. I think this is a wet installation, so you have to spray this on, and then we'll just put this decal on. I'll probably do one first, then I might try to do another one on camera for you guys, but let's get this started. Just got the first one done, and here you go. You guys can see it in there. Try to get it for you guys. I'm gonna take the car outside and show you afterwards, but I guess you kind of get a good angle on it. I don't know if I stand like right here, you can kind of see it. There you go. Got it on. It's kind of a pain. I don't know. I think maybe it would have been better to do the dry installation, because it says it can be done either way. It says wet installation is preferred, but got a little bubble there and another one down here, but other than that, went on pretty good. I had to cut a little piece off here because I folded it on accident trying to get it to stay on. And the hardest part was trying to get it off the plastic when you peel it off. But otherwise, got that one on there. We're gonna get started on the other one. I'm gonna actually set the camera up and see if I can do like a little time lapse with this one, try that out. So let's get started with this one. Got that one installed and looks pretty good. A little bit easier than the last one. It did rip right there, which sucks when I was trying to peel it off from the backing, but just little bubbles come out there. But otherwise, pretty good. Looks good. I'm gonna go take it outside and show you guys what it looks like. I think I'm actually gonna put these guys right here, these little decal stickers right here. I'm gonna try putting these just right there. So I'm gonna get these guys installed, and then we'll take the car out and I'll show you guys what it looks like outside in the light, and give you guys kind of a last little look there. Okay guys, here we go. We have the finished product. Got the car doing actually a little bit of off-roading here. Got a little mud there, but got it all put on there. The white really stands out, but otherwise, that RT looks just beautiful right on there. You can see it in there. From on the other side, you can really see it in the sun. Just looks awesome. Really do like the decal and how it turned out. Really does look cool. It actually has like a little bit of a shimmer into it. It looks actually, try to get close on there. It really does stand out. It's not just a matte, it's almost like a little bit of a sparkly matte finish. It looks really nice. I like it. Looks good. Really makes the car, gives it a little more of an accent. Really does make it look nice. I like it a lot. So Got that side, got the YouTube little thing over here. Come around to the other side, and you can see I got the Instagram one, and got it all right in there. This side looking good too. Otherwise, there you guys go. Definitely a little bit muddy here. I didn't even look when I was really going into it, but ooh, yeah. Look at that, first person off-road, there's 2019 Charger, woo! There we go, but there you guys go. There is the car. Looks beautiful right now. Really do love how it's turning out. Love the rims and tires. Give you guys a little bit of a wider look there. Just looks awesome. Really am loving this car. It really is awesome. Especially loving these little personal touches here. Really makes the car stand out, but cool. There you guys go. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the little install there. If you haven't already, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you haven't already, if you guys want a little sneak peek at what's happening first, check me out on Instagram right there. So next video will be on the exhaust. I do have a little exhaust mod, so we'll be doing that. And then we do have Cummins content coming soon. Got a lot of stuff there. Just got to get it all sorted out, get the trucks fixed up properly, and I'll get that video out for you guys. But stay tuned for more Charger and truck content. Hope you guys have enjoyed the video, and see you guys in the next one. Pretty quick. Like, I hit 70 within a second. Like, that felt so dang fast. That was 5.5. That's pretty good. I don't know how I got 3. I don't know how in the world that happened. Maybe I was just spinning up to 60 one time, but these tires do hook. I'll have to do a little video on them for you guys, but there you guys go. Hope you enjoyed. Also, the speedometer is correct. I did have a couple people commenting on that. It is correct. The tire size is actually just 1 inch wider. It's not at all different in diameter. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys enjoyed that last little clip there, and see you guys later.